So today we will going to learn about cathode ray tube in computer graphics and multimedia. So let's start. So what is basically a cathode ray tube? It is also known as CRT. Is a display screen which produces the image in the form of video signals, and it is a type of vacuum tube which display images when the electron beam pass through the electron guns and strike on the phosphorus surface. So in other words, we can also say that it is a CRT which generates the beam and accelerate it at a high voltage or high velocity and deflect it for creating the image on phosphorus surface or phosphorus screen so that beam can be visible. So here you can see the diagram also. Let me explain it. It is the connector pin, it is the base, and here it is electron gun, which has the capacity of heating filament, and this is the control grid. Here it is a focusing system. This is X deflect and Y deflect. It is also known as a deflection plate, or we can say that it is horizontal plate and it is vertical deflection plate. Here it is going electron beam. It is phosphorus coated screen. The main component of CRT is electron gain. As I already told you, electron grid, focusing system, deflection system, and phosphorus coated skin. So basically, electron guns works about heating filament, as well as it is also known as cathode. It generates negatively charged electron and accelerate the phosphorus screen. Now, the second one is control grid. So what does control grid do? It controls the flow of negatively charged electron so that these electrons do not move freely inside the vacuum tube. Here you can see that this is vacuum tube. This is known as vacuum tube. So third one is focusing system. It is used to create a clear picture by focusing the electron in a narrow beam, which creates by electric field, or it can be created by magnetic field. Next one is deflection system. So there are two deflection system. First one is horizontal and other one is vertical deflection system. It consists of a deflection plate system. It controls the direction of electron beam by using electric and magnetic field. For example, if you can say that the CRT is using the plate, that means CRT is working on electric field. If you are using the coil, it means CRT is working on magnetic field. The next one and the last one is phosphorus coated skin or phosphor coated skin. It is the screen in which inside the surface of every CRT is coated with the phosphorus. The phosphorus grows when the highly energy electron beams heat the screen so that screen can get the image or its screen can be visible. So this is the working of the CRT and the main component of CRT.